Hello, good morning. Ekta mondo khobor hinaga janai de ase. Choagali Saturday laga rati de Mugokchung aru Kohima laga rasta de passenger pass gari ekta accident hui kena Pangsyon manu doile spot te murija laga confirm kurishe. Pass doile Mugokchung bra Jimuki dima ai thaka laga thakishe wase. Kohima police laga preliminary report laga hisab de accident doile around 8 p.m. de hoishe wase. Shaft turning ekta de gari turning kora laka humoi de mechanical failure hoishe niki wena takhanba janai dishe kobo laga hisab de pura victim khan doile Chumukidima Au Baptist Church Arugo laga members khan ase wase taikan January 30 aru 31 de Day of Repentance laga program do Mugokchung de lui gana dati attend kurina wapas ai thaka laga thakishe wena janai dishe traffic police pa confirm kurishe ge idu laga accident de pangsjon manu muri jashi ko ase hoilebi kiman chun manu khan edu bus se berai thakishe aru kiman ta chokam baishe edu laga do etia dakbi eku details dia nai hoilebi church members laga hisab te ko ase ki Mugokchung de ekta prayer program de attend kuribole taikan tinda gari de 44 manu khan berai thakishe koina janai dishe kobo laga hisab te ko ase ki chokamba manu khan do hoile osor laga hospitals khan ge treatment karne lui jashe koina janai dishe Dimapur District Union laga National People's Youth Front Canberra State PWD Road and Bridge kange appeal kuri ase ki Kohowi laga tolong do hoile repair kuri dibole laga janai she ase bridge to hoile kumjuri hoa karne pera manu khan aru osor de thakia manu khan karne ekta khatara hoa ase kushe Saturday den de press release de party ba remind kuri ase ki tolong do hoile bishi important ase kushe travelers school bacha khan bimar manu khan emergency service aru district majo de khalua transport kora laga ekta rasta ase kushe bridge to hoile kumjuri dikhi ase aru bia hoi ase ko ase taikhan bro ko ase ki soka din do hoile kam khan repair kuribole karne bishi bhal ase kushe tiri hui jashe gole to pani gira laga din de doile bia hoi jabo aru edu banabo karne dam bi bishi hobo kushe manu laga jan naja age de julde edu laga opor de sai dibole laga janashe aru department ge kushe ke public safety concern do hoile bishi serious ba lobby kushe youth bodies kan bra edu laga opor de technical inspection kuribole laga janashe aru bridge to hoile repair kuri dibole laga bi janai dishe Directorate of Health and Family Welfare laga under de thakya laga National Vector-borne Disease Control Program kan bra joagali Saturday din de khobor kuri ase ki weather condition laga hisab de Nagaland de January 30 to February 12 laga macho de mucho laga bimar tingi bimar do ele lagi bole bishi high chances de ase goina janai dishe taikambra public advisory de janai di ase ki sob district stakeholders aru communities kan ke muchor bima bra hushar kuribole laga janai di ase taikhan bra advice kuri ase ke nijo la kor osor de letara pani khan flower pot de noile water container de noile pia huija laga tire khan de thakya khan to phelai dibi goi ase water storage container doile palba cover kuribi muchor net kan use kuribi window de screen kan palba lagabi aro morning aro sam phale kapra kan full lagai na puibi goi ase aru public khan ge janai dia ase ke jidi nijor ka high fever matha bekha laga pichi noile suku bekha laga marshal noile joint khan bekha laga noile skin rash gole do chulde medical attention lobole laga janai dishe Assam de bacha khan laga opor de sexual exploitation aru abuse kura laga content khan banai gana circulate kura karne 7 June manu ke arrest kuri she go ase cyber deadline khan bra child sexual exploitive and abuse medal laga opor de khobor dia karne criminal investigation department khan bra trusted in there district police unit khan logo de coordination kuri gana state wide operation launch kura dem de 7 June manu ke arrest kuri she go ase 3 June do ele Kolhagat district laga ase aro Kamru metropolitan Kamru aro Parpita aro Bajali district laga ekta takishi koi ase tai khan ge proxo ek aro ID ek laga opor de book kuri she koina janai dishe tai khan bra crime kura laga mobile phone device use kura bi seize kuri she ko ase aro investigation doile idia bi jai ase koina janai dishe Silkuri area, Silbumi district, Assam de joagali Saturday din de tambo truck ekta bra mini bus ke lagai kena 3 jon manuke morai dishe aro 20 jon manuke jokam kuri dishe koi ase police laga report hisab te mini bus te 23 passengers bugi kana thakishe ase 12 wheeler number to hoile tai wrong side pra aigena gari ke lagai dishe koina janai dishe kobo laga hisab te ko ase ki 2 jon passenger Nira Das aro Taban Biswa doile spot te hi muri jaishe koishe aro ekta passengers to hoile hospital de treatment loi thaka same de muri jaishe koina janai dishe jokam ba manu kan doile Sijar Medical College and Hospital de treatment loi ase koina janai dishe Ajila kopor do himande wind up kuri di ase chidi kumba manu notun sai thakile moram bra subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi koina request kuri di ase thank you